Hello everyone. Nowadays I am observing that most of the people are moving from testing background to the Oracle DBA. I'll tell you the reason behind that. When it comes to the testing, nowadays automation play a very important role. And if you want to automate something, you need to write down the code. So there are many of my friends, those who are working into the testing profile, they are not able to survive there. They are struggling for their job right now because they don't know how to write down a code or programming skill set. So these people are moving from testing to the Oracle DBA because Oracle DBA is the field which is completely non-programming. You don't need any programming skill set to understand this technology. If you have some basic knowledge about the SQL and Linux, you can easily start your career as a Oracle DBA where you don't need to write down single line of code also. So if you want to kickstart your career as a Oracle DBA, you can reach out to us. We have online classes as well as offline classes in Pune location. Okay, we are going to start from very basic. We will train you in SQL, Linux, Oracle DBA. We will provide you interview questions, mock, and a very important thing is wherever there is a vacancies, we are going to provide you. So everything from zero till a good Oracle DBA, we will take care of everything. So don't waste your time here and there. Join this completely real-time database training. Anyone can start their career as a Oracle DBA even though you are coming from non-technical background.